Okay, Saguaro Sevenths Alternative Game Play, option number 1. Depending on the level of your student, pick 2 or 3 cards and play one of the chord types on the piano. And the student has to identify which one they're hearing. One tip for this version is to make sure that you are, if you're at the piano and they're right next to you, to cover your hand. The success poster would be a good option. Cover it and angle it so that they can't see where you're placing your hand on the keys, because that could easily give them a clue as to which one you're playing. And they just get to keep the card if they get it correct. And then you just keep reshuffling the cards until all of the cards have been identified.
Thanks for joining us at Music Game Club. You can find printable and digital music theory games and other teacher resources at musicgameclub.com. You can also find us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Tag us on social media so we can celebrate with you your student success in playing music theory games.